Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Additional Source Income. Today we will talk about Bitcoin Live. Make sure to watch until the end as I will go over all about Bitcoin and its current market trends. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos. Welcome to our deep dive into the fascinating world of Bitcoin Live. If you've ever wondered what Bitcoin is and why it has become such a hot topic in the financial landscape, you're in the right place. Bitcoin, created in 2009 by an anonymous entity known as Satoshi Nakamoto, is the first decentralized digital currency. It operates on a technology called blockchain, which ensures transparency and security in transactions. Today, Bitcoin is not just a digital asset, it's a revolutionary force that challenges traditional financial systems and offers a new way to think about money. As we explore Bitcoin Live, we'll uncover its significance in today's economy, where it has gained traction as both an investment vehicle and a means of transaction. With its price volatility and market dynamics, understanding Bitcoin in real time can be both thrilling and educational. So, whether you're a seasoned investor or just curious about cryptocurrencies, this video will provide you with valuable insights into Bitcoin's live market movements. Get ready to engage with the latest trends, learn about market influences, and discover why Bitcoin continues to capture the attention of investors and enthusiasts alike. Let's jump into the world of Bitcoin Live and see what makes it tick. What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a groundbreaking digital currency that was created in 2009 by an individual or group using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. The inception of Bitcoin came in the wake of the 2008 financial crisis, aiming to provide an alternative to traditional banking systems. At its core, Bitcoin is designed to be a peer-to-peer currency, allowing users to send and receive payments without the need for intermediaries like banks. The technology that powers Bitcoin is called blockchain. This innovative system is essentially a public ledger that records all transactions across a network of computers. Each block in the chain contains a list of transactions, and once a block is filled, it is added to the chain in a way that is secure and immutable. This ensures that all transactions are transparent and verifiable while also protecting against fraud. One of the most significant aspects of Bitcoin is its decentralized nature. Unlike traditional currencies that are controlled by central banks, Bitcoin operates on a decentralized network, meaning no single entity has control over it. This decentralization has profound implications as it empowers individuals, promotes financial inclusion, and reduces the risks associated with centralized financial systems. Understanding these fundamentals is crucial for anyone looking to navigate the world of Bitcoin. Current market trends. As of January 2025, the Bitcoin market is experiencing notable fluctuations, with its price movements capturing the attention of investors and analysts alike. Currently, Bitcoin's price has seen a significant uptick, pushing its market capitalization back into the trillion-dollar range. This resurgence can be attributed to a combination of factors, including increased institutional adoption and a growing acceptance of cryptocurrencies among mainstream financial services. One of the key influences on Bitcoin's value is the evolving regulatory landscape. Governments around the world are beginning to establish clearer frameworks for cryptocurrency transactions, which can either bolster confidence in the market or create uncertainty. For instance, recent discussions in the US Congress regarding cryptocurrency regulations have sparked debates about how these laws could impact Bitcoin's future. Additionally, recent news events such as major companies announcing Bitcoin as a payment option or significant partnerships within the blockchain space have further fueled interest. The ongoing developments in decentralized finance, DeFi, and non-fungible tokens, NFTs, also play a role in shaping Bitcoin's market dynamics. As we analyze these trends, it becomes clear that the Bitcoin market is not only resilient, but also evolving rapidly, making it an exciting space for both new and seasoned investors. Live Trading Insights. Welcome to our Live Trading Insights segment, where we'll explore effective strategies for trading Bitcoin. One popular approach is day trading, which involves making multiple trades within a single day to capitalize on short-term price movements. This strategy requires a keen eye on market trends and quick decision-making. On the other hand, HODling, a term derived from a misspelled online post, refers to holding on to Bitcoin for the long term, regardless of market fluctuations. This strategy is based on the belief that Bitcoin will appreciate significantly over time. Technical analysis plays a crucial role in Bitcoin trading. By analyzing historical price charts and using indicators like moving averages and RSI, Relative Strength Index, traders can identify potential entry and exit points. Understanding patterns and trends can help you make informed decisions and enhance your trading strategy. However, trading Bitcoin comes with inherent risks, so managing those risks is essential. One effective tip is to set stop-loss orders, which automatically sell your Bitcoin if it drops to a certain price, helping to minimize losses. Additionally, never invest more than you can afford to lose, and consider diversifying your portfolio to spread risk. By employing these strategies and insights, you can navigate the Bitcoin market with greater confidence and skill. Future predictions. As we look ahead, the future of Bitcoin is a topic of much speculation and excitement among experts and investors alike. Many analysts predict that Bitcoin's price could reach new heights, with some forecasting values exceeding $100,000 in the coming years. This optimism is largely driven by increasing institutional adoption, as more companies and financial institutions recognize Bitcoin as a legitimate asset class. Additionally, as global economic uncertainties persist, Bitcoin's appeal as a hedge against inflation may further boost its value. However, Bitcoin is not without its challenges. Regulatory scrutiny is one of the most significant hurdles it may face. Governments around the world are grappling with how to regulate cryptocurrencies, and any stringent regulations could impact Bitcoin's growth and adoption. Furthermore, technological issues such as scalability and energy consumption remain critical concerns that need addressing to ensure Bitcoin's long-term viability. Despite these challenges, Bitcoin is poised to play a pivotal role in the evolving financial landscape. As decentralized finance, DeFi, continues to gain traction, Bitcoin could serve as a foundational asset in a new financial ecosystem. Its ability to facilitate borderless transactions and provide financial services to the unbanked makes it a powerful tool for economic empowerment. The future of Bitcoin is undoubtedly intertwined with the future of finance itself. Conclusion: as we wrap up our exploration of Bitcoin, let's recap the key takeaways. We've discussed the fundamentals of Bitcoin from its creation by Satoshi Nakamoto in 2009 to the revolutionary blockchain technology that underpins it. We've analyzed current market trends, highlighting Bitcoin's price movements and the factors influencing its value, such as regulations and adoption. Additionally, we delved into live trading insights, covering strategies like day trading and HODLing, as well as the importance of technical analysis and risk management. Looking ahead, we speculated on Bitcoin's future, considering expert predictions about its price and the potential challenges it may face. Despite these hurdles, Bitcoin's role in the evolving financial landscape remains significant, offering new opportunities for investors and users alike. If you found this content valuable, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more Bitcoin-related insights and updates. Your engagement helps us create more informative videos tailored to your interests. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends who are curious about Bitcoin. Also, explore additional resources on our channel to deepen your understanding of this dynamic cryptocurrency. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos from additional source income, money strategies, and much more. Check out my playlist and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.